Rick Grimes stands in front of a sleek, futuristic factory. The camera pans to reveal a massive banner that reads, "Welcome to Semangat Tech Industries, the future of Robotech manufacturing." Rick Grimes. What's up, Madripoor? Rick Grimes here, live from Semangat Tech Industries, the most advanced Robotech factory on this side of the galaxy. This place is where dreams are built, and today, we're diving into the future of manufacturing. Y'all ready for this? Let's go! The camera zooms in on Rick's charismatic grin as he gestures toward the factory. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me introduce you to the brains behind this operation. Meet Semangat Putera, CEO of Semangat Tech Industries. Named after Semangat, the Bruneian god of spirit and determination, because here, we're determined to build the future. Say hello, Semangat. Semangat steps into the frame, dressed in a sharp suit with a confident smile. Welcome, Rick, and welcome to Semangat Tech Industries. Thanks to our venture capital partners, Oang Ventures and Dayan Capital, we've built this state-of-the-art facility. Now, let's show you what we're all about. Factory tour begins. The group walks through the factory. The camera captures rows of robotic arms assembling sleek, futuristic VFB-9 Beta fighters. Alright, folks, this is what we're selling. The VFB-9 Beta Veritech Fighter Bomber. Customizable, efficient, and built right here in Madripoor. This bad boy's got 3 modes: Fighter Bomber, Guardian, and Battleoid. And let me tell ya, it's a beast in every mode. Hermione, what do you think? Hermione Granger, the new intern squad member, steps into the frame, looking slightly nervous, but excited. I'm thinking we need to target property owners with 3,800 plus square feet of space. That's the sweet spot for these manufacturing cells, and with an 85% occupancy rate, there's plenty of opportunity. Exactly. And with a cap rate of 10% and a DSCR of 2.00, these properties are solid investments. We just need to find the right buyers. Oh, I know. We could market it as a spellbinding opportunity, because of the magical returns. Hermione, this isn't Hogwarts. We can't just wave a wand and make deals appear. Of course not, Rick. That would be ridiculous. We'd need to use a proper summoning charm for that. Everyone stares at Hermione in bewildered silence. Oh, come on. That was funnier than a cheering charm gone wrong. Tough crowd. Maybe I should stick to real estate and leave the jokes to the house elves. The group stops at a workstation where a technician is customizing a VFB-9 Beta on a Tesla-like website interface. Check this out. You can customize your own VFB-9 Beta right here. Pick your color, armor, engine, cockpit, even the bomb bay capacity if you want. It's like building your dream car, but for Robotech. Bomb bay capacity? Man, even fighters need a place to store their snacks. But seriously, this is what we're pitching to property owners. Imagine their vacant spaces filled with these customizable manufacturing cells. It's a win-win. I'm sold. Let's get out there and make some deals. With a 13.7 meter height in Battleoid mode, these betas are perfect for our high-ceiling properties. Hermione, you're really getting into the spirit. Just remember, we're selling manufacturing space, not giant robot parking lots. Of course, Rick, but wouldn't it be amazing if we could transform our properties as easily as these Veritechs? One minute it's a warehouse, the next it's a giant bookstore. Well, at least she didn't suggest using the VFB-9's 8,000 kilograms bomb bay to store extra inventory. Now that would be an explosive business model. Right? I think I'll stick to real estate and leave the Robotech jokes to the professionals. Or maybe we should just call it a day before this conversation goes into Guardian mode. Investment assessment. The camera cuts to Rick standing in front of a whiteboard, outlining the property's investment potential. Alright, let's break it down. This property at 1122 Robotech VFB-9 Beta Avenue, Madripoor is a gem. Here's why. Strong NOI. At $160,000, the cash flow is solid. High occupancy. 85% occupancy means steady income. Tenant quality. B-plus credit tenants? Not bad, but we can aim higher. Market rent potential. Market rent is $22 spef, but in-place rent is $21.26. That's room to grow. Location. A walk score of 87 and ModuMaaS pod score of 4. This place is connected. But here's the kicker. The VFB-9 Beta is in high demand. With its 3 modes, advanced armor, and bomb bay capacity, this fighter is a game changer. And with Semangat Tech's D-Shop system, we're building these bad boys faster and better than anyone else. The camera pans out as the team starts dialing, with the factory humming in the background. The screen fades to the Semangat Tech Industries logo and the tagline, "Customize your future, build it in Madripoor." Stay tuned, Madripoor. The future is coming, and we're bringing it to you.